Yeah. So moving on to the creation of GL master data. So a transaction could remain the same here also, but there is a lot of difference between ECC and S4HANA. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual processing, FS00. Okay. So here, first thing I will create 1 lakh GL account, which is share capital. Click on create. So here, this GL account type was not there in ECC. So we have different types of GL accounts are there. GL account types are there. Balance sheet account, secondary cost account, primary cost or revenue account, non-operating income or expense account, cash account. So if it is a balance sheet account, select balance sheet account. So based on the requirement, we'll discuss about the GL account type. So I'm selecting balance sheet account here. Account group, liability. Select the short text, share capital, share capital. Select only balance in local currency, as you know that, right? Only balance in local currency should be selected for the balance sheet account. Sort key 001. Here, instead of G001, I'm assigning YB01. Okay, this is the only change in S4. So you are able to create one share capital GL account. Okay. And you want to create one more GL account. Okay. I will show you how to copy the GL account from the already created GL account. So let's say the GL account, what you want to create, give the code here with template. So it is asking you from which GL account, what is the reference GL account you want to copy. So give the GL account as 1 lakh. From 1 lakh GL account, from the company code TA00 you want to copy, enter. So only just you need to change the text here, cash account, and also here instead of liability you have to select asset account. Other attributes of the GL account is same. Save this. So with this we are able to create 2 GL accounts. We'll create some more GL accounts under PNL also. Let's say under PNL you are creating one GL account which is maintenance account. So here at this point of time, we cannot create the GL account under expense account. For that, we have to create one controlling area also. Because see, if you go to primary cost or revenue and account group, see the moment you select the primary cost or revenue. See this one. So then what happens? One field will become mandatory. Just select the account group as expenses. Let's say maintenance account you want to create. Maintenance account. So if you go to the control data tab, if you scroll down, so there is one field which will be mandatory. It is not showing now mandatory because you have not defined your controlling area. So first we'll define the controlling area and then we'll get back to this particular creation of GL account under primary cost or revenue. So with that, we'll be integrating our finance with controlling at the controlling data, at the company code level. I will show you. I want to give the pause to the class now for some time.